Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on Motorola Moto E32s. So to do this we'll need to open Google Play Store. Inside find the app called Notify Buddy. Select it and install it. After this process is finished, tap on the open, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions for the app. When it's ready, last thing is battery optimization, which you can disable, and I would suggest to leave it enabled like it is in the default. And if you have any problems with the app, go back and disable it. Now let's proceed. From here we can actually start using this app, and you can see 4 tabs: user, system, active and settings. In user you can pick and select each app for custom LED lamp notifications to work with, and in the system you can find all apps that are bound to your system. In active you can see all apps that you just activated, and in the settings you can customize your LED lamp by changing its size, shape, placement on the screen or a color. Now let's click on a test and you can see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.